everyone, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you some dresses and tops I ordered again from Savannah, and Savannah is my favorite website, I think so. That's why I ordered most of the clothes from them. So this time I have ordered some tops and dresses, that too under 1000 rupees. And I am a little disappointed this time, so if you want to know then keep on watching. So the first top is the top which I am wearing now. So this is a white corset kind of top. It has flower here around the neck, and this is the bust area. I think so the bust area is a little bit shorter, I think so. And this has this lines, but it's not wired, so it doesn't give any structure. It's just a cloth material, and the material is also nice, and I ordered it in extra small size, but it's a little bit of loose. And this top price is around 700, and yeah, and all the link will be in the description box, so please check it out if you like any of this product. And I like it, and I have styled it with a jeans, white leg jeans. So now let's move on to the next product. This is the next top. This one is the prettiest top in all of the halls, in this haul, sorry. So this is how the tops looks like. So it's in butter yellow color from here, and it has roses all over the top, and this pattern over here, and it has a really cute bow. And the sleeves, it has this two sleeves. One is in butter yellow color and other is in red color, and it has bows over here and in the middle. It's so pretty, so it's giving cute look, and I really like this top. And the fabric material, everything is good, and the material is also quite soft. Okay, now let's move on to the dresses, which disappointed me the most. So this is a dress which I received, and let me show you the photo of what the website or the app has of this dress here. See, and look at this dress. It's like expectation versus reality. This is the very first time when I am facing this kind of problem or issue, where I got some other kind of dresses, and like look, one strap is down and one strap is going up, and the length in the image it's showing till the floor length, and on me it's below the knees, and I really don't like that length on me. And the size is also a little bit loose, and the color is totally different, and the fabric is also not nice, and I am going to return this dress. This is really a disappointment from Savannah, and this was for 1000 rupees or 800 something. I'm really disappointed with this dress. I waited for so long for this dress. It looks so beautiful on the model or the app, but I have to return it now. So this is the next dress. It's a red color mini bodycon dress, but this dress also disappointed me because the fabric is not that good. It feels like some plastic type of fabric or the cheap fabric. And this is a full sleeves dress, and the bag, it is backless. This is how the bag looks like. It has a string that we have to tie in the back, and I was excited for this dress too. It looks so beautiful on that model, but I think so it's not looking that great on me, and I think so it's a little bit of loose. That's why it's looking like this. I don't know. What do you guys think about this dress? Please tell me in the comment section. It looked really sexy on that model, but I think so I don't have that body. And the price, it was affordable. It was for 750 rupees something. So I think so I'm going to return this dress too. And now we'll move on to the next dress. So this is the next dress. This is my favorite dress because look at the flowers, pattern, everything is so cute and summer appropriate. It has this flower all over the dress, and it's bodycon from around your hip, and below that it has all ruffle. so it looks really pretty. If you want to take summer photos or anything, then this dress is the perfect dress, and the price is also really affordable. It's for only 1900 rupees, and look wise it's really attractive and gives that feminine energy or feminine vibe. And it's a little bit loose for me around here, and my size is extra small. So now let's move on to the next and the last dress. So this is the last dress. It's like most perfect in fitting, color and fabric and everything. It looks so elegant. It's in butter yellow color, so it's perfect for summer birthday or party or brunch outfit. It gives really feminine vibe. I'm definitely going to wear it somewhere. And it's under 900 rupees. Can you see I'm so happy? At least one dress looks good on me. So we are at the end of the video, and that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye.